Do you know what malware is and how it can affect you? If not, you're in the right place. Welcome to the complex yet intriguing world of malware, a significant player in our modern digital age. Malware, short for malicious software, is a collective term that includes a variety of threats such as viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, and spyware. Each of these threats has its unique characteristics and methods of wreaking havoc. And you may ask, why should I care about malware? Well, malware can have serious implications for both individuals and organizations. It's like having an invisible burglar snooping around your digital world, causing havoc in unimaginable ways. One of the most common effects of malware is data loss. Imagine losing all those precious memories stored in pictures or important documents that took hours to create. Poof! Gone in an instant. But it gets worse. Identity theft is another major concern. Malware can steal your personal information, leading to fraudulent activities under your name. And let's not forget the financial loss. Businesses lose billions every year due to these malicious software attacks. From ransom payments to system downtimes, the costs can be staggering. In some extreme cases, malware can even damage a computer's hardware, turning your pricey gadget into nothing more than a paperweight. The global damage costs associated with malware attacks are astronomical, putting a spotlight on the importance of cybersecurity. So it's clear that malware is not just an IT issue, it's a serious threat that can cause significant harm. But how does malware actually work? It's a clever blend of deception and exploitation. Malware often worms its way into a system through seemingly harmless email attachments, tempting clickbait on websites, or even disguised as legitimate software downloads. Once it's gained access, it's like a wolf in sheep's clothing. It can silently replicate itself, spreading like wildfire through your system, and then it gets down to business. It could be stealing your personal information, holding your data hostage, or turning your device into a zombie in a botnet army, just like a puppet master pulling the strings from behind the scenes. Now that you know how it works, you might be wondering, how can I protect myself? Protection against malware involves a combination of good practices and the right software. Regular software updates, for instance, are crucial. They not only keep your system running smoothly, but also patch vulnerabilities that can be exploited by malicious software. Equally important is being cautious online. Avoid suspicious emails, dubious websites, and unverified downloads. Now let's talk about security software. A robust firewall can shield your system, while antivirus software can detect and eliminate threats. But even with these measures, nothing is foolproof. That's why regular data backups are essential. They ensure that even if malware slips through the cracks, your important files are safe. Remember, understanding malware and taking the right precautions can save you from a world of trouble.